Okay, so we've got the set out of the box now. He threw the ball. He's giving it a chew. What do you think? Isn't that cute? Look at that. Yeah, it's a banana. A banana. And a mouse. And an elephant. And a rhinoceros. And a tiger. Meow. And a bird. And a dog. Ruff, ruff. For me?
No.
Thank you. Another one for me? Thank you. We can set them up. See if we can get them to stand up. That's pretty funny, huh? There they go. Now they're standing up. Then you take the ball and you throw the ball at them. Ah! Pretty funny. You want to try? Yeah! Try again. Throw the ball at them. Pretty fun. Alright, say thank you, Oma Opa. Callaway, can you say thank you? Say bye-bye. You say bye-bye, Oma Opa? Bye-bye.